Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something very important in business and innovation, which is how to identify problem that customer really face. When we talk about business ideas, most people usually think about creating something new, something exciting, or something that's look cool. But in reality, the most successful business don't just start from random idea. They usually start from really problem that customer are struggling with. Because if there is a problem, there will always be a need for a solution. And if there a need, there is an opportunity for business. So, how can we identify this problem? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Observe customer behavior. Sometimes customer won't directly say what their problems are. Instead, you can notice it from their behavior. For example, imagine people waiting in a long line at a coffee shop every morning. That situation is a pain point, a real problem. By observing carefully, you can find these pain points in daily life. Step 2. Ask the right question. Interview or surveying customer is a powerful way to discover problem. But the key is ask the right question. Instead of asking, "What do you want?" which customer often can answer clearly, ask which is the most difficult part when you. For instance, what the hardest part when ordering food online? This kind of question makes customers share their struggles directly. Step 3. Listen to complaints and frustration. Where do customers usually complain? Social media, review session, or even customer service chats. Complaints are actually a good mind. Every negative comment or low rating usually reflects a problem that hasn't been solved yet. A smart entrepreneur will see those complaints as opportunity to create better solution. Step 4. Put yourself in the customer's shoes. Sometimes the best way to discover problem is by experiencing that product or service yourself. Try to order from your own online shop or try using a competitor service. You will quickly realize the pain points customer face. This method is called customer journey mapping, and it helps you see the entire experience from beginning to end. Step 5. Validate the problem. Not every problem is worth solving. Some problems only happen to a few people or they are not urgent. That's why you need to validate whether the problem is big enough and common enough as yourself. Do many people experience this issue? Are they actively looking for solution? Would they be willing to pay for it? If the answer is yes, then you found a promising problem. Now, why is this process so important? Because identifying problem accurately saves you from creating products that nobody wants. Many startup fail not because their product is bad, but because they solve problem that don't really exist on the other hand, if you truly solve a pain problem that many customers face, they won't just try your solution, they will stick with it. Let me give you a quick example. Think about ride-hailing apps like Uber or Gojek that founders didn't just say, let's make an application. They noticed a really problem finding reliable, safe, and affordable transportation which difficult. They identify that pain point and then create a solution that millions of people now use daily. So the lesson is clear. Don't start with the product, start with the problem. By identifying problem customer really fast, you are already halfway to building a successful business. To sum up, observe customer behavior, ask the right question, listen the complaints, put yourself in their shoes, validation the problem. If you apply this step, you will be able to discover problem that truly matter. And from there, you can transform them into opportunity for innovation and business growth. That's all for today's video and how to identify problem that customer really face. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. See you in the next video.